Giving women more pleasure in the act is a great way to make a relationship more satisfying and enjoyable for both parties. Unfortunately, many men don't know how to do this, or don't take the time to make sure their partners are enjoying the experience. Here are 5 ways to give women more pleasure. Stay to the end of the video so you don't miss any information, and already subscribe to the channel and activate the little bell so you don't miss any videos. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will learn 5 ways to give women more pleasure during intercourse. 1. Make foreplay a priority. One of the best ways to give women more pleasure is to make foreplay a priority. Foreplay can help women get aroused and build anticipation for the main event. Spend time touching, stroking, and exploring each other's bodies, and make sure to pay attention to her reactions to find out what she likes best. 2. Focus on her pleasure. Men should focus on their partner's pleasure during the act, rather than just trying to satisfy their own desires. This means taking the time to learn what she likes and responding to her suggestions. Pay attention to her body language and make sure you ask her what she wants. 3. Use demonstrations. Demonstrations can be a great way to show women what you like and to help them learn what pleases you. Use your hands and mouth to show her what kind of touch you like, or ask her to show you what she wants. This can be a great way to show her that you care about her pleasure as much as your own. Before you go on to the next topic, leave a like. And there, you did. Then let's move on to the next topic. 4. Try different positions. Experimenting with different positions can be a great way to give women more sexual pleasure. Take the time to explore different angles and positions, and be sure to pay attention to her reactions. Some positions may be more pleasurable for her than others, so it's important to take the time to find out what she likes. 5. Take breaks. Taking breaks during the act can be a great way to give women more pleasure. Breaks allow for more intimate moments and can help her relax and enjoy the experience. Pauses can also help build anticipation and keep the experience enjoyable for both parties. Giving women more pleasure in the act can be a great way to make relationships more satisfying and enjoyable. Making foreplay a priority by focusing on their pleasure, using demonstrations, trying different positions, and taking breaks can help men give women more pleasure during encounters. We have reached the end of another video. If this video has helped you in any way, please comment below. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. Leave your like and see you in the next video.